Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators in my studio. This week I'm sharing an idea that I had to send someone a happy new home card, or how do you call that? When someone has moved into a new home and you want to congratulate them. I always look for ways to congratulate them with sort of an original card. And I found this amazing die on AliExpress, and this is it. So they look like simply 4 little houses, which in itself is already cute, but they also come with some score lines, as it were, so score edges. And so this here is the cutting edge, and then these are the scoring edges. So you can actually make a 3D house from this die, and that is what I want to show you today. I have made 3 by now, and I've done all 3 with some mixed media papers that I created, but you can of course use design paper or cardstock, any paper that you like. And you can send this, well, not this, but the project over the mail, which I find very cute. And well, let me show you what I did. Okay, so this is the die, very cute. Now the end product, let me show you, is this. So this is very cute. You can do a little tea light. Not with open fire, guys. Take one with batteries and put a little lamp in here, and then it is a very, very cute lamp, little lamp on your table. I have done this myself, so I sprayed this with different colors. I inked it up, and yeah. So if you want to put this in an envelope, you simply fold it like this and you send it out. So that is the ideal 3D project, that you can send it in a regular envelope, and you don't need some kind of box or dimensional thing. So what I'm going to do today is do a tutorial on how to create this kind of house. So not this particular one, because it's already done, but I'm going to create a new one, starting from the point that I'm adding this brick pattern here that you see here. I'm adding that to a background that I have already done. So that is the starting point of the tutorial. Now this one I actually inked, so I used a stencil and then inked it up. And the thing that I'm going to show you is when you use sprays. So I will spray through the stencil, which will give you a different, more random effect. And I'm also going to do some monoprinting. So that is when you see me, once I have sprayed it through the stencil will be covered in ink, and then I will turn over that inked up stencil and do a monoprint. So that is actually the mirrored pattern then. Right, so that was an original idea, I hope. It reminds me a bit of the box card idea in the sense that there's that is also a 3D project that you send through the mail, but this time I used a die. Could you do this without a die? Of course you could, especially if you know how to draw these tiny houses, you just draw them yourself and then cut them and fold them. You can do almost anything yourself when there's a die for it. So that is just this is just a way to do it very quickly, and yeah, that is for me. So let me know what you think in the comment section, if you like the idea of it, and if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want, and yeah, I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!